TikTok is finally going to share the ad revenue with creators. But yeah, again, everyone is not eligible to be paid. But yeah, finally they are launching the new monetization platform. They are going to start sharing a cut of revenue with top creators, and this is going to be similar to YouTube's monetization platform. They announced this new program called TikTok Pulse, and it allows ads to be specifically run alongside the top 4% of all videos on TikTok. Creators and publishers with at least 100,000 followers are eligible to receive a cut of revenue when their videos are included. Now, after the approval, TikTok will share 50% of the ad revenue to the creators. But yeah, the final launch will happen in the US in June 2022, and that's when we will finally get the more details. With this new TikTok Pulse, they are going to begin exploring our first advertising revenue share program with the creators, public figures, and media publishers. They have also selected 12 categories in which the Pulse videos will be there. Brands will run specifically videos for this Pulse category, and you have to make that type of content. Now, categories include favorite content from the beauty and fashion. They also have cooking, gaming, and different type of categories. And TikTok Pulse is this new advertising solution for the advertisers and also creators, and in the end TikTok will share the 50% revenue split with the creators. Now this is really great for TikTok creators. I think that finally they are going to get really good money in terms of the monetization. They already had the creator fund, but their payout was not that great. So yeah guys, TikTok Pulse, the new way to generate revenue with TikTok, is coming.